Stop juggling social media and start soaring with Zapier's automation power. Are you spending hours manually posting across Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn? Today, we're unlocking the secrets to automating your content distribution with Zapier, so you can reclaim your time and amplify your online presence. First things first, let's head over to Zapier and click Create a Zap. This is where the magic begins. We're going to connect two apps together to automate a task. Think of it as telling Zapier, when X happens in app A, do Y in app B. For our first automation, let's say you publish a new blog post. Our trigger will be new blog post published in your blogging platform. So search for your blogging service and select new post as the trigger event. Now, for the action we want Zapier to take, we'll select Twitter. This means every time a new blog post is published, Zapier will automatically create a tweet for you. Next, we set up the action in the tweet text field. You can use data from your blog post, like the title, and add a custom message with relevant hashtags. Crucially, you'll want to include the link to your new post here. Once you test your trigger and action to ensure it's pulling the correct information, you're ready to turn on your Zap. This simple automation means your latest content is instantly shared with your Twitter audience the moment you hit publish. But we don't stop there. You can create similar Zaps for other platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn, and even Instagram. Tailoring the message for each audience, this drastically cuts down on manual posting, ensuring consistent updates across your channels. And the benefits extend to tracking engagement too. While Zapier primarily automates distribution, by having your content consistently published, you can more easily monitor and analyze its performance across all platforms using your existing social media analytics tools. This frees you up to focus on crafting even better content. Zapier is your secret weapon for streamlined social media, saving you precious hours and boosting your online presence. Start building your automated content empire today.